comprehend. Most importantly, his words of inspiration continue to motivate the students to strive for higher goals in life. He brings with him a vision to develop interest in maths among the students so that they emerge as the true developers and creators of mathematics. Hence, his classes would help the students to become familiar with tricks to deal with problem sums, ways to reach the exact solutions quickly, and enhance their IQ. In this way, the students who have the potential to scale new heights in the arena of maths can be guided and their talents can be channeled in a positive direction to face the competitions ahead. Roy Sir is a very motivating teacher whose teaching techniques and logical reasoning can actually help the students overcome numerous complications and subject-related phobias. Ergo, I believe that it would be surely an enriching experience for all the young mathematicians to be guided, inspired and nurtured by the Kanit Guru, Mr. A.K. Roy himself. I now invite Father Joe Jacob, our principal, to speak more on his plans, how he intends to develop a real taste for learning maths among the students in our school under the guidance of Mr. A.K. Roy.
Good morning, parents. In fact, I never thought that the hall will be full this morning. But it is overflowing and people have to go to the balcony. Speaks the influence of maths in our lives. In our Holy Scripture, Bible, there is a story of a pearl merchant going out to find the best pearl. When he finds that, he goes and sells everything that he has and buys that pearl. I'm just doing that. I found a wizard, the best in the trade. And I not bought him, I just invited him to be part of this school. And Apurva talked about my plans. I don't know what exactly it would be. But I just grabbed the opportunity. Actually, my association with him started a long time ago when he came seeking for an admission. Asked me, will you take a genius or wizard in maths in class 6? I said, prove to me, then I will take the admission. He said, it's a boy. He did not say it was his son. I took a test. I took the boy to senior teachers in maths. They asked him to give him some difficult sums. He proved. I said, you are admitted. Then later on he told me, it is my son. And I asked him, what do you do and things like that. And then he said, yes, I do something like maths. And Kanit Guru teaches teacher and all that. And I said, why don't you, as a parent, get involved in our school and get rid of the maths phobia of the students. And that's how last 2 months he has been here. I found him quite inspired. We have in the school a program called ASCP. I don't know, you parents won't be aware of that because Academic and Skill Enhancement Program. For Saturdays we used to run this program